All right, so in this video, I will be going over how to use OpenCV in Python using VS Code. So I'll go over a brief introduction on what OpenCV is, how to do a pip install using pip for OpenCV, and then set up your virtual environment and run a quick program to check that your program is working properly. Okay, so what is OpenCV? OpenCV is a library that has a bunch of functions that lets you do image processing techniques with the traditional way, as well as new AI and machine learning methods. And there's also different things like GUI features. You have some operations you could do with images, different image processing techniques, feature detection. You have video analysis, camera calibration, machine learning, and much more. So I'll be following some of this OpenCV Python tutorials as reference, and then adding my own information to it as I find what's important. Okay, so go ahead and check out this website here for more details. Okay, so to install OpenCV, you would use this command right here, pip install opencv-python. And to find the command, you could Google search pip install OpenCV, and you'll find this link here that will tell you the command that you need. Okay. And to set up your virtual environment, you would run the first command right here, python-m venv, and then this is the name of your virtual environment. I just call it OpenCV env. And then to activate it, you run this line of code right here to activate. Okay, so let's jump right into our code. Okay, so here we're gonna have a demo program. And notice right here, you could see this. This is how you know your virtual environment is up and running. So here we're gonna create a quick program to make sure that our OpenCV was installed correctly. So I'm gonna go ahead and type import cv2 as cv, and then do a if name equals main and print cv dot version. So if I run this, you see that my version is printed out. So that means my OpenCV program is up and running. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.